Bitcoin is still trading within this rising channel pattern we have been talking about in the past videos, guys, and I'm expecting a breakout in the Bitcoin price very soon, and I do expect that breakout is going to be to the downside, and that is going to provide us with a unique opportunity to enter long positions or to accumulate more Ethereum for the next coming months. So guys, all about that in today's video. I will show you exactly the signals that I'm watching, why I think Bitcoin might see a pullback right here. I'm also going to share the exact levels you will need to be watching for Bitcoin in order to hold, but also which levels could be very interesting to buy Bitcoin or to open long positions. Also, when we have a look at Ethereum, we are seeing basically something similar. It looks like that in the shorter term time frame, over the next coming days, we could see a pullback in Ethereum, but nevertheless, that won't change the macro structure. So guys, all about that in today's video. Let's dive right into it. Before we are zooming in right here on the Bitcoin chart, make sure to scroll below this video and to hit the thumbs up button, guys. It would be very awesome if we could get above 300 likes on today's video. Then guys, let's dive right into it. And yeah, yesterday I've been talking about that Bitcoin right now is trading in this rising channel pattern. On the 1 hour time frame, it's even more clearly how much this channel is being respected. We can see that we are getting rejected from the resistance and that we are getting supported by the support, but at the middle of the channel is also a very significant level where we can see this level acting as resistance but also acting as support. What we are seeing while the price is actually moving up, we can see that on the 1 hour time frame that the momentum indicators are coming down while the price is moving up. That is showing us that the bullish momentum right here is getting exhausted. We can also see it back in the relative strength index. We are making lower highs while the price is doing the opposite. And on the 1 hour time frame, it looks like the momentum is really coming down, but we are still trading above that support right here, which right now is at approximately 47,440, 47,500 approximately. And I think if we were to get a break below this level, that can definitely spike a further dump in the Bitcoin price, where we could see a pullback from the rally we have seen so far right here. Then guys, when we have a look at the 4 hour time frame right here, we can see it a bit more clearer. We have a very clear bearish divergence with the price setting higher highs, but on the relative strength index setting lower highs. And normally a bearish divergence, guys, on the 4 hour time frame is quite significant, and yeah, could tell us right here that we are getting a pullback before we can continue this uptrend. And it also makes sense if we have a look at the levels that we are trading right now to get a rejection from these levels, due to the fact that this has been historical significant price levels in the Bitcoin chart. And it would make sense for Bitcoin to basically to get a pullback right here, set a higher low somewhere right here, and then continue this uptrend. And yeah, last time we got a bearish divergence on the 4 hour time frame. That was right here. We got a lower low in the relative strength index, but we got a higher high right here in the price. This was when Bitcoin was in a correction. Bitcoin was looking more bearish right here, but we got quite a big of a drop in the price, a drop of approximately 20%. So I'm not expecting something like that to happen right now as well. Definitely not. However, I do expect Bitcoin, if we lose this uptrending support, to get a pullback right here and to visit some of the levels below us, which can be a awesome buying opportunity, a awesome opportunity to long Bitcoin for what the rest of October has to offer us, because I do think that this will just be a small pullback and that eventually we will continue that uptrend. So guys, if you are interested in longing Bitcoin, accumulating Bitcoin, then I'm recommending 3 exchanges where you can find the affiliate links down below this video. And the first exchange is the Bybit platform, where you can get an additional bonus of $635 if you use my sign up link to join this platform. On the Femex exchange, you can get an additional bonus of $2,000, and both the Bybit and Femex platform, they offer margin trading, but you can also trade on the spot market over there. Then last but not least, we got the Prime XPT platform, which is offering a variety of functionalities like staking and co-vesting, where you can copy other traders and earn Bitcoin based on their trades. Right now, if you sign up using my affiliate link, you can get a 50% deposit bonus. So guys, for all the traders who are interested in that, you can find my affiliate links down below this video. So guys, which levels that I'm actually watching right now below in the Bitcoin price? Well, the most important levels are these two zones right here, and it's not only because it has been previous resistance or previous support, but also because there is confluence with Fibonacci levels. So if I were to draw a Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom right here till the top of this move, then we can see that these former support and resistance levels, they're aligning with very important Fibonacci levels, which is the 50% Fibonacci level at 44,880 and the 61.80% at approximately slightly below 44,000 US dollars. So what I do want to see with Bitcoin, if we were to get that pullback, I really want to see Bitcoin coming back down, testing the 50 or the 61.80%. I think it is still possible to get quite a rough move right here, but this is a less likely scenario, of course, but to get a rough move and to test the former resistance of this falling wedge pattern as support, but we don't want to be trading long below the 61.80%. That would be a more bearish signal, especially when this level would be acting as resistance. So I think in a quick move, so with a wick, something like we are seeing right here as well, it is definitely possible to quickly come down, but still get a nice close above the 61.80%. But it is possible for Bitcoin to touch this level. If we lose the former resistance of that falling wedge pattern, then that would be a bearish signal, of course, and shows us that Bitcoin is actually looking more bearish rather than bullish. But so far, I definitely expect Bitcoin to come down right here, set a higher low. It can be at the 50%, at the 61.80%. We could be seeing that quick wick down. I wouldn't hope for that too much, because I think Bitcoin is just looking bullish. There is one level in between I want to point out as well. That is the 46,000 US dollar level right here. We can see some confluence with this level in the past as well. It is an important level. Let's check if that lines up with a Fibonacci level as well. I need to bring out the settings right here. Yeah, then we can see that that level is approximately aligning with the 38.20%. So that is something to watch as well. We might see a retracement to that level. But yeah, if we were to break that level, the next level is 50%. Breaking the 50%, next level is going to be the 61.80%. So I definitely do expect like a pullback right in the Bitcoin price, and we want to see the momentum indicators shifting, similar as how we predict the bottom right here. Before we can say that Bitcoin is going to see that reversal and have set that higher low. If we have a look at the relative strength index right here on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we also have a nice uptrend, which can be an extra confirmation. If we were to break right here and we lose the 38.20%, or we can see already that the 4-hour support of the relative strength index has been broken, then that could be a sign that most likely we are going to see a further drop in the price of Bitcoin. But nevertheless, that all fits in the scenario of setting that higher low and continuing this uptrend, which I basically expect Bitcoin to do, because like I've been mentioning in my previous videos, structure of Bitcoin right now is just looking very bullish, right? We got a 5-wave structure right here to the upside, ABC correction. Right now, this could be the start of another 5-wave move to the upside. So guys, these are basically the pattern that I'm watching with Bitcoin together with the levels. So most important levels are going to be roughly 46,000 US dollars. Below that, we have the 44,880 at the 50% Fibonacci level, and the 61.80% is slightly below 44,000 US dollars. Then guys, let's go to Ethereum against the US dollar, because that one is looking very interesting as well. And before we are zooming in right here on Ethereum, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure to do subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. We have been predicting this breakout right here in Ethereum as well. We actually have been quite accurate right here with the exact bottom due to our new indicator right here. So that was a very successful trade. Right now I do expect a pullback in Ethereum as well, because we are seeing similar signs as with Bitcoin. We are seeing a higher high or a double top formation on the 4-hour time frame, while on the relative strength index we are seeing that lower high going for a dive right here. We also have a uptrend right here on the relative strength index. It looks like that at least we are going to test that uptrend and might even break that uptrend to see a further pullback in Ethereum against US dollar. So which levels you need to be watching? Well, first of all, if we have a look at former resistance right here, that would be at the levels around 3160 US dollars. That would be a nice level for Ethereum to flip into support if we were to get that drop. I think we could be seeing slightly lower levels depending where in time we are going to see that drop. We could be testing the former resistance of this declining channel, which right now would be at a level of 3136. But yeah, depending on time when we are going to hit that level, that level can be slightly lower. However, this level needs to hold. If this level is holding and we are setting that higher low somewhere right here, then I think as well for Ethereum, we can continue this uptrend this month in the and the next coming months, right? Continuing this bull market, going towards the neckline of this bigger cup and handle formation, which is at 4,000 US dollars. If we break that neckline, guys, then we can see Ethereum going to levels above 6,000 US dollars. Let's quickly use a Fibonacci retracement tool right here to see whether there is some confluence aligning. So what we can see right here is that the 50 and 61.80%, they are aligning somewhere in the future with the declining resistance. So yeah, it would make sense for Ethereum to get that pullback similar as we might going to see with Bitcoin if we were to break the uptrending support of that rising channel. And yeah, one of the first levels you want to be watching in Ethereum is the previous high right here at 3,330 approximately. Lose that level and we most likely going to see that further pullback. But like I said, guys, similar as with Bitcoin, I do expect this going to eventually be a higher low and we are going to continue this uptrend, which makes this such a exciting time, because this means that either Bitcoin and Ethereum can provide us with a unique opportunity, right, to load in on longs or to accumulate more for the rest of the bull market. And if you are interested in that, guys, if you are interested to long Bitcoin or to short Bitcoin or Ethereum, then yeah, like I said, I'm recommending 3 exchanges. You can do that over on the Bybit exchange, on the Femix platform, also on the Prime XBT platform. On the Prime XBT, you can also trade next to Bitcoin and crypto, like the regular financial markets and commodities. I'm primarily using Bybit and the Femix platform for trading Bitcoin, Ethereum with leverage or on the spot market. And I'm using this because right now they are not requiring any KYC. Formerly, I was using Binance for trading on the spot market, but right now I switched to Bybit and Femix, mostly trading on Bybit, to be honest. And the Prime XBT exchange is a nice addition to this, because this exchange is offering some more functionalities we don't have on Bybit on Femix. For example, you can long and short the S&P 500, or you can participate in their co-vesting module, where you can basically copy other traders. And soon they will launch a staking functionality as well, where you can stake cryptocurrencies and stablecoins over on the Prime XBT platform, all without KYC. So that is quite interesting. And guys, if you are interested in joining one of these platforms, if you join Bybit using my affiliate link, you can get a $635 bonus. And on the Femix platform, you can get a $2,000 bonus. You do need to meet the deposit requirements, of course. And with the Prime XBT platform, you can get a 50% deposit bonus up to 1 Bitcoin. So guys, for everyone who's interested in that, you can find my affiliate link down below. Then guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis, guys. If so, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, very much appreciated. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.